Hello everybody, I am Shomi Sharkar and welcome to my channel. So, how you guys are doing? I hope everybody is doing really well. Everything is going in sync, and for that reason I am here today with a new video, and this is gonna be a very bronzed, tan kind of a makeup look on myself that I want to create. So, I will be creating a very bronze, tanned, dark kind of glowing look, bronze goddess kind of a look. I have also made my hair. I have made braids from two ends, you can see. So yeah, this is a bohemian kind of braids. So I'm gonna show pictures once I'm done with the look, and I'm gonna upload pictures. If you guys are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, then please do follow. I'll give you the link down below. And also, if you guys are watching me for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, subscribe kore nao taratari, and also don't forget to click the bell icon tate tomra always notified থাকবে আমি কখনো কোনো ভিডিওস আপলোড করলে তোমাদের কাছে একদম পৌঁছে যাবে. So yeah, so just want to keep it short and simple. For everybody out there, those who are watching me, please stop being racist. Black is also beautiful. Black is beautiful. So yeah, no fair thing. What we all in the world have to do is become more human. Our humanity show korte hobe, become a wonderful person from within. So yeah, everybody is beautiful and everybody have the right to be good and beautiful and wonderful from inside out and everywhere. So yes, just want to give this message to you all. So for that reason I'll be creating this look, and please keep watching, watch till the end. And if you guys like my videos, then please share the video link and also give a thumbs up. And if you want to know anything else, then please do comment me. So আর কিছু বলবো না, তাড়াতাড়ি ভিডিওতে জাম্প করব. Watch till the end. Love you all.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.